Hi everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. In this video today I will discuss about how we can improve our pronunciation. If you are learning English, then you must be little bit conscious about your pronunciation. You must be conscious about the way you are speaking a particular word, the way you are saying a particular phrase. It is really very important to have a clear pronunciation while speaking English language. Pronunciation means the way you say a particular word, and to learn English language one must have a skill of pronounce a word correctly and clearly so that it can make your communication meaningful and attractive to others people. It should be understandable to everyone. For example, right now I am delivering a message to you and I am using very simple English language which is understandable by everyone, is not it? And also I am using my own natural accent, right? But if the word I am speaking, the sentences I am pronouncing are not so clear to you, right? So how can you be able to understand my message, and my message may become disappear to you, is not it? So for this reason you should work on your pronunciation. You should notice the way you are pronouncing a particular word. It is really very important. So through this video today I will share 4 methods with you so that you will find a way to work on your pronunciation. You will find a way to improve your pronunciation, right? So before going to share 4 methods, let me tell you one thing, that the method I will share with you, this I'm not saying that these all are universal method to improve your pronunciation. No, there would be many more ways to improve your pronunciation. When I was in my beginner level, when I tried to improve my pronunciation, there was no single teacher who can teach me what should I do, what should not I do. Whatever I have done till now, whatever I have learned till now, I did it by myself. Okay, I tried hard to find a way to improve my pronunciation. So through this video today I will share the method which I have followed, which helped me to improve my pronunciation, right? And one more thing is that in the way of improving your pronunciation, you will have a long way, you will have a long procedure. Don't think about shortcut ways to improve your pronunciation. This is not possible. Okay, you have to be consistent, you have to be disciplined with your learning, otherwise you cannot acquire things properly, okay, or completely. Now let's discuss about 4 methods. So method number 1, reading. I found reading as a very helpful method to improve my pronunciation. I used to read a lot to improve my pronunciation, and yes, it helped me a lot. So you are supposed to read more and more, and you are supposed to read regularly so that it can improve your pronunciation gradually, and believe me, it will work for you. Okay? And the method number 2 which I used to follow, that is recording my own voice. While reading I used to record my own voice. After that I used to listen it. So what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to choose a paragraph, read it aloud, record it and listen it in order to find out your mistake and in order to know on which part you should work more. Okay, and method number 3, speaking. Along with reading and writing, you are supposed to speak as much as you can. Speak with your friend, with your co-partner, and before going to have conversation with them, let them know to give you feedback. So their feedback will help you to measure the level of your performance, and moreover it will help you to improve your pronunciation. And method number 4, this is really an amazing way to improve your pronunciation. There is one application by name Google Translator. So Google Translator, it is a beautiful software application, designed software application I can say, which can guide you to improve your pronunciation. If you write a word on Google Translator, so Google Translator will pronounce this word for you, okay, along with meaning. It will also give you meaning of this particular word. Not only a single word, but also if you write a paragraph on Google Translator, so it will pronounce this paragraph for you. even actually there is a one good advantage in this application you will find, that is Google Translator. With the help of Google Translator you can translate any language to English language, right? So along with your pronunciation, Google Translator is going to improve your translation skill. Okay, and I will leave the link of this application below description box. Don't forget to download it and use it from today. Okay, start your journey at least from somewhere. It is really necessary, right? So this was for today, and I hope all this method is going to be as helpful as it has helped me a lot. Okay, so don't forget to share your opinion, your comment right below this comment section. Very soon I will come up with one new interesting topic. Till then, stay happy, stay positive, keep learning. Bye bye.